Today I'm going to show you how to remove phone number from Discord. So let's get started. Go to your apps library and open your Discord app. Once you have opened your Discord app, now you have to wait for the time it takes to load. Now once the app is loaded, here you have to click on the hamburger icon at the top left corner. Once you click on that icon, now here at this interface you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now here you have to click on the account section. Here you can change your username, phone number and email address, even password. Then you have to click on the phone number option. Once you have selected this, here at this interface you have to remove your phone number. Once you have removed your phone number, now hit on the next button. After pressing the next button to save this setting, you have to re-enter your password, and once you have re-entered your password, your phone number will be removed. It's pretty simple and easy, just like on Facebook you do. You have to follow the same method here as well. Once you have done, you have to save the settings and your settings will be saved. So that's how you can remove phone number from Discord.